Hi, this is DIY Manual. Today, the filter indicator on my KitchenAid Aid Superba refrigerator is showing 0%. So, I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter located in the bottom front grille of the refrigerator. This is for filter model 4396841, EDR 3RXD1, 4396710, P2RF WG2, Kenmore 9083, and Kenmore 969030. It is the same filter, but different manufacturer use their own part number. The life of this filter is up to 6 months or 300 gallon, depending on the water quality of your source. Before you begin, you need to turn off your ice maker. This will ensure that no water will get into your ice maker until you perform the flush instructor on the new water filter. After you turn off the ice maker, you can now locate the filter in the bottom front face grill. This is the eject button. You can remove the old filter by pressing and holding down the eject button and pull the filter cap out straight. Make sure not to twist the cap, as this is just a plastic and it's very easy to break. Next, you want to remove the filter cap by turning it counterclockwise. The new filter does not come with a replacement cap, so make sure to set this aside because you're going to have to reuse it. Next, you want to take the new filter out of the package. Then you want to inspect the new filter and make sure that it matches the old filter and that the O-ring is not missing. Next, you need to install the cap to the new filter by aligning the cap and the new filter. Turn the cap clockwise until it stops and snaps into place. Then hold the assemble unit with a lip on the top and opening in the bottom and insert the new filter into the hole. When the filter is completely inserted, the eject button will pop back out and you will hear the water filling up the filter. Then after you install the filter, you need to discharge 3 to 4 gallons from the water dispenser. So that's the air discharging from the line. After that, it's going to be the water coming out of the new filter. If you don't want to waste your discharge water, you can repurpose it by watering your plant or simply using it for cleaning, or you can simply pour it down your sink. So I discharged about 15 large Slurpee cup. You can see now that the water is clear, so I think we're good now. When your filter is ready, you can now turn the ice maker back on. And if your refrigerator comes with a filter indicator, make sure to reset it. I hope this video helped you in your mini project. Please help me by liking this video and clicking on the subscribe button.